Waity. What's good, everybody? Hope everybody's having a beautiful day. Spreading love, loving yourself, and being the best version of yourself. It's beach day. I'm here with Bae, Mama, and Carlos. Me and Bae are getting our beach house built real quick. You know what I'm saying? That's gonna be our crib. But look, we finna catch a vibe at the beach. We finna be here for some hours. We planned it like a week ago, I think, or something like that. And then last night, I told Bae about it, that we was probably going to the beach, and I asked Mom Mom asked me this morning if we were going, and I thought we were going the whole time, so we sliding. Jorge! It's him, Bae. It's him.
Dude, I want a straw hat.
A straw hat? Missing a sock. Look, I'm gonna show y'all. Look, we gotta walk up the steps, and then the beach is right over here, huh? What you say, Bae? I'm not wearing it. Oh yeah, it's at our house too. Why didn't we bring it? Look at that. That's so beautiful.
You already know we got
Hey.
I got it for you, but confident too. You already know we got the gang out here. We're about to get in the water for a little bit. You know.
Look, Carlos.
Seagulls. There's a boat right
Look,
there.
they're gonna fly right over us. What if they shit on your head?
Woo! Dinner.
Bro, the beach is a whole nother vibe, bro. I said the beach is a whole nother vibe, but the beach is a whole nother vibe, bro. Mom always talks about it, and she sent me this post. You remember that post that you sent me, Mom? Where it was like, the beach is where you reconnect, or all them things that are listed, what the water does.
Yeah.
Like energy balance, everything. Look at that, that's nice. But this is a vibe. Man, let's get married on the beach. I love her. Look, we out here feeding the crows. We giving them crackers and stuff. Bae's over there giving them crackers, and she said they being mean, so she's being the mom in the situation. We done gave them a lot, and they all around. It's pretty cool. One came like this close to my hand, because I was trying to feed it with my hand. Oh. Where?
I want to go on the water, but I'm not sure if I've seen it.
Bruh, I got you, bruh. You want to throw a gummy to him?
I did.
Throw one more, throw one more. He like, I ain't never tried this shit before. What? You got a feather? You're pretty. That my wife. This is cool though. I like the birds.
I want to feed them.
Who? The crow? Do it, do it. You gotta break it. Yeah. They probably, some of them probably, the crows probably feel like they gonna get hoarded. Huh? What you think they saying? Which one? In the middle right there? Right there? Look at this one. You think he's old? You think he's older since his fur is different, or that's just his style?
He's a different breed.
Yeah.
Black and white.
Where's the one Bae likes? I like the crows because the crows, they're like, fur is not black. It's like dark blue and it shines on the sun. This is great. Carlos, you want to go in the water real quick? Where is he? You got a feather, Bae? It don't stay in the same spot. I'm trying hard to not touch the camera because look at my hands. It's because I'm eating them hot chips. But bro, this is the whole vibe. They say they gonna keep following us. They like you, Bae. This is amazing. Vibes. Life is amazing. Life is amazing with you, babe. Yeah. I want to feed those ones. That's the ones that you said was waiting. Carlos, bro. Carlos, bro. Life is amazing with you, bro. Love you. Bye. I'm gonna go put my camera back so I don't drop it in the water. And I'm buried this man in the sand. Bro. Bro, where'd you go, Carlos, bro?
I can't breathe. Stop!
I could end it right now.
Really
Right now.
breathe.
I gotta go pee. Over the bridge. On my head. It's okay, babe. Why wouldn't she look through it, dude? Like, bro, Carlos, you be asking questions that don't make sense. Why would the mirror be there?
Dude, look through this.
Man, let's go run 3v3. You running with me and Carlos?
You just like threw your head. What?
You're the greatest basketball player all
I know,
time.
that's what they said. They said, to be honest, bro, LeBron can't guard you.
Come on now. Do they know who they talking to, Carlos?
They're talking to the CEO.
To the sea. I said if you stay up and we go home and you go to sleep, then I should be
right
fixed.
away.
I'm showering first.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. All right.
No freeze, no nothing.
All right, you're gonna lose.
Cross, can you hold it so he doesn't cheat? Is it recording?
Nah, it's not recording. I'm just holding it.
All right, no freeze, no nothing.
Come on. Right.
Shoot.
Get out of here. You're gonna be a dirty boy. You're gonna be falling asleep you're gonna be falling asleep in the chair.
You too.
Good luck getting it from mine. Bearing it from mine.
Yeah, you gotta catch it first.
It's you. My bad. How am I gonna, why would I want to catch you if I have the camera?
Because I'm gonna take it and run.
Man, today was a beautiful day at the beach with the family. Got D Carlos, D Promise, D Mama. Man, today was a vibe. We all gotta get us some sun. Mama just made like a sea turtle out of sand, and me and Bae got some dope ass pictures. I'm gonna post Bae when we get to the house. I'm not gonna tell her. The caption's gonna be, I don't even play cards, but I still pull the queen. Oh! But it was an amazing day with everybody, man. It's all about the love, huh, Bae?
Yeah.
That's my wife. We're gonna get married on the beach. But yeah, it was an amazing day. We heading back to the house now. We probably all finna get something to eat, because you know how when you go to the beach, they be hungry as a motherfucker. But yeah, we all love y'all. Spend time with your family. Go outside and just have fun. Peace will come to you naturally. I love y'all. Have the most amazing day.